popping in real quick to do a review on this ice scraper. This comes in different sections, so you can see that they all get put together. They just screw together. Once it's screwed together, it's very sturdy and very solid. The end here has like a really nice black grip on it for easy handling. The rest of it just has kind of the raw metal finish. And then at the end here, you screw on the end piece, you just slide the pole in there, and then you're gonna see you've got this real sharp spade on here. It's super straight, very flat. Everything is welded together really nicely, so you can see that. And then the shovel piece is kind of a matte black. You can see the end here is quite sharp. You can see it comes to a nice sharp tip. We've been using this on ice. We also use it to break the ice on our chicken water. It's been working very, very well. It seems to be made out of really good products, really good quality. This also would work really, really great for like edging your sidewalk if you have to kind of chip away at the grass or anything like that. Right now it's winter time, so we're purely using it for breaking and chipping away at the ice. This is a product that the manufacturer sent me in exchange for my review, so hopefully my honest, unbiased opinion helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But overall, it's working really great for us here in Michigan for all sorts of different projects that we have around here, and we are really enjoying it.